Hey guys, congratulations on the purchase of your car. My name is Jack, I'm from Top Secret Imports. The purpose of this video is just to guide you through the next couple of steps and what to expect. There are three main ways, or there's three steps to bring a car into the country. The first step is which you've already done, which is to purchase the car. The second step is to ship the car. And the last step is when the car comes to us and we compliance it, put it on the Aussie system. Below me are some state selections. Please select the state that you're from. Based on that, you'll be given a form. And the purpose of this form is so we can pre-select what you need. But the other main reason is we need to apply for a vehicle import approval as soon as possible. This takes 30 days, so please get onto it as soon as you can, and we can then apply for the car to come into the country. Once this is done, the car can actually leave the port and be entered into Australia. If not, the vehicle will have to stay in storage, which there are fees for that, and we don't want you to incur any of those fees. So please fill in the form, and we can get the steps happening as soon as we can. The import approval is like a visa for adults. It just allows us, we make a declaration to the government to say this is what the car is and this is why it's coming into the country. Once the car lands here, you'll get a shipping notice which will say the car has arrived. But please don't mistake that for car arriving to us. Please allow at least 10 days, maybe even 2 weeks, depending on how busy the ports are, for them to do customs, quarantine, book tows. So allow about 2 weeks for the car to actually arrive to us. Once it's arrived to us, we'll get the work done within about 5 days and submit the application to the government. Similarly to a passport application, it does take a couple of weeks, so we just need you to exercise patience during this time. Once it's approved, our team will let you know. And what that means is the vehicle is on the RAV, which is the Register of Approved Vehicles, which is the national database. And we also get given a compliance plate sticker, which we can put on the car. Based on the selections that you make, we do recommend that you register the car, or allow us to register the car. First time registration is always a little bit tricky, and then you can drive away. If you've got any other questions, please let us know, but I'll see you soon. Cheers.